Upgraded material. This replacement engine heater hose assembly features aluminum Y connectors for added durability. Application specific. Designed to match the original fit and function of heater hoses on certain vehicle years, makes and models. Complete replacement. Hoses come with necessary clamps for easy installation. Quality engineering. Designed in the United States and backed by decades of automotive aftermarket experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Original equipment HVAC heater hose assemblies often fail due to cracks in the plastic Y connector. This Dorman OE fix replacement features an upgraded aluminum Y connector to prevent similar failures in the future. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. The metal connector is so superior. I used this item because it had the metal connector versus plastic and every other brand. I did have to replace the heater hose portion because I didn't want to use a crummy plastic adapter different from the General Motors item, so I bought the General Motors hose and attached it to the metal fitting. No leaks, everything looks right, and I am sure it'll last for another 10 years.